Hey everyone, welcome to a very special episode. My name is Peter and this is BNSF Chicago sub in N-Scale. Those of you who've been following my channel know I'm a great supporter of Showcase Miniatures. I've been using their signals for quite a while on my previous layouts. I used their searchlight signals. I've got quite a few of their vehicles as well. Now they're providing a lot of products to the N-Scale markets that have previously not been available to us. I'm pleased to announce a new product from Showcase. Now they very kindly sent me some pre-production samples of this product, and I put together a tutorial video which will be coming out very shortly after this. Now what this product is something we've been asking for a long time in the N-Scale community. Those of you who model modern outline and who like to have signals on your layout will know that all that's been available to us at the moment has been the searchlight signals. Now Showcase Miniatures are introducing their new D-type signal. Those of you who don't know what a D-type signal is, it's sometimes known as a hooded signal or a Darth Vader signal. It's given that name by rail fans because of the similarity between the shape of the hood of the signal and that of the helmet of Darth Vader in the Star Wars series. And these are the signals you'll be seeing trackside when you go rail fanning these days. Most of the railroads are replacing their old searchlight signals with these modern D-type signals. Now thanks to Showcase Miniatures, you'll now be able to replicate this on your model railroad in N-Scale. There's one thing I've just got to be clear about. Showcase are not paying me to do this video, but they have sent me some pre-production samples. And I let them know that in return I'd do a tutorial video on how to build them, and I would just introduce them to the community. So let's get on and I'll show you what these look like.
Now here's the finished kit that I've assembled and painted. Now you have the option to have a single or double head. And the kit comes with enough parts to enable you to do this. Stainless steel etched parts are included, as well as a brass tube for the mast and a plastic signal head and bracket. Here's an example of the signal connected to my Digitrax signal system to show you how the LEDs function. The custom LEDs are not included as part of the kit, but are a low cost option to add. The signal heads will be available separately if you want to add them to your gantries. These signals are a perfect addition to your modern outline layout.
So I think you all agree this product has been long overdue and it's something that we've been calling for a long time in the community. I for one will be using many of these in my new layout. I'll be using a lot of them with the masts as shown, and I'll also be using many of them on the signal bridges. The next video on my channel will be a tutorial on how to build these signals. I'll take you step by step through the process of building a signal from removing it from the sprues right to the final product. So be sure you don't miss that video. Be sure to click the subscribe button down below and click that little bell icon to be notified as soon as that video is uploaded. In the meantime, stay safe and happy modeling.